Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your Instagram story with specific people. So for example, if you want your Instagram story to be shared with specific people, then there are two methods to do this. So first, let's see both of the methods. So in order to do this, first we will try to create a sample Instagram story. What you need to do is simply click on this plus icon at the top right corner of your screen and then choose this option which says story. And then once you are inside this story option, you need to click on this settings gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then once you are inside the camera settings, you can see this option which says story again. Simply click here and then it will lead you to the story. Now you have two options. Either you may choose to hide all of those peoples from which you don't want to share the story with, so that will automatically share the story to those to whom you want to see this. And then the next option is using the close friends. So if you add the people into your close friends list, only they will be able to share their story which have been shared as a close friend story. So if you want to hide people to whom you don't want to share, simply click on this hide story from zero people option right here, and then choose all those people from which you want to hide this story. And then if you want to add people as close friends and then only send it to those, then you can click beneath this close friends option and choose all of those accounts to whom you want to share this story. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.